Which of the following is most likely a characteristic of cumulative voting? Now there are two kinds of votings. One is the statutory voting. Another is the cumulative voting. Now in statutory voting, each share held is assigned one vote in the election of each member of the board of directors. So one share means one vote. However, in the cumulative voting, shareholders can allocate their votes to one or more candidates as they choose. So in this case, one share can imply more than one vote. And hence, through cumulative voting, minority shareholders have a more proportional representation on the board. Let us try to see the difference between statutory voting and cumulative voting using an example. Suppose there are three candidates. In the election of a board A, B and C. Now on the statutory voting, if a person has, say, suppose 100 shares, then he has 100 votes and he can vote to either A, B and C. However, under cumulative voting, he has 100 votes into 3, because he has to choose, or there are 3 board members in the election fray. Hence, for each share, he can allocate one vote to each member. Hence, the number of votes which he can cast is equal to 300 votes. So in this case, as you can see, through cumulative voting, minority shareholders have a more proportional representation on the board. Under the cumulative voting, each share is assigned one vote in the election of each member of the board of directors. This statement is incorrect because this is a characteristic of statutory voting. Under cumulative voting, shareholders can allocate their votes to only one candidate as they choose. This is also incorrect. They can distribute this 300 votes among these 3 candidates in the ratio they like.